Introducing the Monsoon Shower Extract Kit from National Ventilation. It's everything you need for a complete bathroom fan installation. It features the brand new UMD 100, which is a mixed flow inline fan that's capable of delivering 198 meters cubed per hour, between 17 and 19 watts, at 28 dBA. It comes with a 5-year warranty and is made here in the UK. The kit comes with two options, either standard internal diffusers or with an LED internal diffuser as well. It comes with this premium packaging with an easy carry handle and a place to display your sellout pricing. For more information, visit our website, follow us on social media. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.